Many people blame rising CPMs for their lack of success with Facebook ads because they're looking for a measurable way of why they're not getting any conversions. But what if this is completely false? After years of advertising on Facebook, I found out which CPMs are really too high, what you can do about that, and why CPMs are not the root cause of your issues with getting conversions. With that being said, I would say let's get right into the video. Number one, what are CPMs? CPMs are basically what you pay Facebook to reach 1,000 people within your desired target audience. Number two, how are CPMs calculated? CPMs are calculated on two main things. First of all, that is your audience, the audience that you're trying to reach. Basically, there's a base CPM, which is essentially no targeting, so broad, and every audience that you kind of layer on top of that, you have to pay extra for that. So for example, if you are running an interest group, for example, for people who are into luxury shopping, you're paying extra for that as opposed to just going broad, so no targeting. So that's the first thing of how CPMs kind of come together. Number two of how your CPMs come together is your ad, or more specifically, your estimated action rate. What is the estimated action rate? The estimated action rate is basically the rate which people take your desired action. If you're optimizing for purchases, that's purchases. But there's also positive engagement that kind of gets you positive estimated action rate. Engagements, comments, likes, shares, all of that, and then obviously the action that somebody's taking on your website. And the more positive interactions your ad is getting, the lower your CPMs are in the end, because Facebook knows that this is an ad which users like and they want to share this ad to more people, therefore giving you a cheaper CPM. So now that we understood that CPMs come from mainly two sources, first of all your audience, and second of all your ad, we can now dive into the root causes of why you're getting high CPMs. When is my CPM too high? And the only two ways of fixing high CPMs. When your CPMs rise above $40 to $50 on broad, meaning you let Facebook do the targeting, then this is an indicator that you are a bad business partner to Facebook. And what does it mean to be a bad business partner? Most important thing is that it means that your ads are bad. Your ads have a low estimated action rate. That means not many people engage with it. People just scroll past it. People don't buy from it. Maybe people even click on I don't want to see this ad anymore. And this is an indicator to Facebook that people don't want to see your ads. Therefore, they're not a positive experience to the overall system. Therefore, Facebook is giving you those high CPMs to tell you, hey, we don't want to have your ads on the platform, and maybe try to improve them. So how can you go about fixing those high CPMs then? There are mainly two ways that you can fix those high CPMs at broad. The first thing is super simple. Check your page score. Did it increase or decrease recently? Usually if your page score goes from 4.0 to 3.5, this immediately results in higher CPMs, because Facebook knows that your page score went down, so the user experience went down, and therefore they obviously give you higher CPMs, because they don't see that positive experience that your page has anymore. So the way of fixing that is by overall improving kind of the business side of things, because if your page score drops, usually Facebook does these kind of surveys after somebody purchased from your ads, and they get a purchase, did the item arrive on time, how was the overall experience, how was the overall product quality, and people get the survey, they can vote, and if they obviously vote low on that, your page score is going to decrease. Therefore Facebook knows that you are a bad business for them, therefore they give you higher CPMs. So what you can do about that is kind of fix your page score. And how you can fix your page score is by being a better business overall, meaning you have better customer service, better shipping times, or at least the shipping times that you say that you have, improving the product quality, and overall just making the customer more satisfied. The second thing is to analyze your ad. If your page scores are right, then the high CPMs derive from your ads, because they have a low estimated action rate. And what could lead to a high estimated or low estimated action rate? That is, are your ads clickbaity? Are they thought-provoking? Are they very provocative overall? How's the landing page experience of the user? Is it good or is it bad? Does it scream clickbait? Is there any false information in your ads? Are you using any specific words that may evoke some sort of emotion that people want to hide your ad and they don't want to see it anymore? Low CPMs, on the other hand, also necessarily aren't always good. Generally speaking, if you look at the eco-platform of Facebook, Facebook is charging you more for higher quality of people, people that make more purchases. Think 1% lookalike, you always pay more for that because the people in there are very high quality. And then for low CPMs, tend to have lower quality of people in there. It's not always true, but that's kind of the rule of thumb. So if your CPMs are too high, there's something that you need to do about that. But if you're somewhere between 30 to like $10 of a CPM, you are in the green area. If it's probably going below like $10, I would really go deep and analyze the conversion rates and like quality of people that you're getting on the site. Is that alright? Because also it can be that you have like a very clickbaity ad, which is still getting like a high estimated action rate, therefore giving you like a low CPM, but the people from there are not converting. So low CPMs also can be an issue. What you just want to make sure is your CPM first of all below 50 or 40? And then second of all, are you getting conversions? If you are, then you are in the green area. So let's get to the end of this video. In conclusion, if you want to be successful with your Facebook ads, you need to be a good business partner to Facebook. This means having ads that people like, that they want to engage with, that they want to purchase from, and then also overall being a great business, having great customer support, shipping on time, delivering the product quality that you promised, and all that kind of stuff. So stop blaming the Facebook algorithm for giving you high CPMs or for not giving you any results, if in reality it's your ads, your overall business, or the quality of people that you attract.